Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can invite users like your friends or contacts or coworkers to your workspace on ClickUp to work with you on your projects or to assign them to tasks. So let's get started right away. It is very simple. Head over to ClickUp, log into your account, and here in the top left, guys, start by selecting your workspace. Let me go with that workspace here for demonstration purposes. And below, select settings from that drop-down menu. That is going to redirect you to your workspace settings. So here on the left-hand side, guys, on the left panel, select people. And what you want to do next, guys, is go through that list and check what members your workspace currently features. So you may invite new users to your workspace by either clicking on invite people here or by clicking on invite people there. So let me click on that button here. And after that, you may send an invitation by entering the recipient's email address here, or if he or she has already a username on ClickUp, you may add in that name also. So what you want to do, guys, is once we have added the recipient's email address here, is assign a member role, like for example, a member or a guest or admin. For example, we would like to invite someone directly as an admin or create a custom role. So guys, let me send a simple member invitation. Once that's done, simply click on send invite to send the given invitation via email to the given contact so that the given contact may accept or decline the invitation to join your workspace on ClickUp. And that's how it works, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you later.